Hey everybody, we're gonna play the Needle Tower again. So we're gonna do World 2. I already finished World 2 without you. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. I keep doing everything without you. Okay, this time I won't do anything. Okay. So, I'm gonna see if the microphone's on. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna put my silent mode on. Then I don't really hear anything. Okay. Go here. Okay. And then go to these gumdrops. Okay. There's red wax covered butter squishies. You might remember some of them from the last video because I didn't really need to finish it. It's just so satisfying. Okay, what wax covered whatever. I don't know what this is. Okay, we got the paw tap squishy. And they turn gray. Oh yeah. And I fell. We're just gonna when I fell again. Okay. We're just gonna go back where we were. Yeah. I think it's this, that, and that. You want to go all the way back down with me, and we're gonna go back up. So this one, and that one. Okay. We're gonna go back down. Let's see, should we die? And go back down. Okay, everybody, let's go back. Okay, sorry for the pause. Okay, we're gonna do World 2. Tomorrow we're gonna do World 3. We're not doing another World 3. Okay. Honestly, these towers are kind of short. So gumdrops, wax covered butter. I'm gonna speed run this the whole entire time. It's gonna be short because I wanna make this quick. Okay. No. Let's make this fast. Bro. Why does this always happen? Okay, let's just try to go to yellow. A little bit more down, yes, right there. Okay, perfectly. Okay, don't down here to this cube, and then these squishies. There's no squishy we're gonna get for anything else. Do not touch those lasers. Okay, on the balls. Okay. Do not touch the lasers. We got the ball. Now we're gonna go up this ladder and jump down on the squishy. And this glass bridge. Okay, I don't remember what it is. This? Maybe it's not. Try to land on the glass bridge. Try to go to yellow. Okay, I went there. Wait, didn't I? Go a little bit down. Okay, I'll go right there. Did I pass this yet? Whoa. What bridge? Okay, this one, and this one. No, okay. So this one, and this one. Okay, and we go here. Oh! Lost some health. These are stairs, and they're like a golden dumpling. Go down there. Okay. Oh. Dumpling. Go back here again. The banana. Okay. Green gumdrop. Okay. And then we got green wax butter squishy. Green wax butter squishies, and then this. Whee! What is this?
What?
He's watching. Okay.
No, wait. It's a fix. People misunderstanding your
Okay.
illustrations.
Then we got these puppets right there. And we got the blue dumplings next. Or are you almost there? Okay, and then blue wax covered butter. Then down here. Okay. Wax covered these. Whatever. Okay, then we got the blue ice cream cones. Okay, blue puppets. The doggy squishy. Jump over the lasers. Okay. These are like stairs. Okay. Climb up the ladder and land on the blue dumpling. Okay. Purple wax covered butter. Now we got the spinning donuts. Then the cake. Wax covered spears. And then do not jump and watch out for the lasers. Okay. Purple puppets and then the spinning donut. Glass bridge. Oh my gosh. I think it was this one. No. Since I'm over here, gotta figure this out. Oh yes. I didn't know for this. I thought she died in the other one. Okay, so it was this, and this. Okay, let me do it. This, and we got World 3. I'm gonna do World 3 for y'all, okay? For y'all. I'm sorry, I didn't have a World 3. Okay. So we go up here on these cubes, jump over the lasers. Okay, up here. These are like stairs. Okay, jump on these. You know what? I'm just gonna end the video right here. Bye! See you next.